you're watching this video because you typed into YouTube how to create a review video, right? Maybe you're looking to create a review video for your blog. Maybe you're looking to create a review video to make some money. Maybe you're looking to create a review video to review a product like what I'm about to do right now, right? So at any rate, I'm going to talk to you guys about a couple of those things and how quickly you can do that. But first, let's just pull up notes.io. The second thing I'm going to do inside of this video is I'm going to review Adscrisp, right? So the first thing you have to do in finding a video or a product that you're going to create to review is to find keywords. All right, so first thing you're going to want to do is head over to YouTube and just do this at a basic level. I do teach this at a little bit more in-depth level, but for the time's sake and training purposes, I'm going to basically just show you guys how I found some keywords to attract this video to you, right, or attract you to this video. So how to create, so I'm just going to type in how to create, right? So let's say you find a product about cooking, right? You're going to type in how to cook or how to, you know, find recipes online or something of that nature. You want something that's really relevant to what you're creating, right? So how to create, I just got a new subscriber, how to create a review. Let's see, let's do this. How to create review video on YouTube, right? So that's gonna be my keyword. How to start a product review channel and make money. This thing has 86,000 views, right? So if you download vidIQ, you're gonna be able to, and I'm gonna be able to personally go over to this video as I'm making this video for you so that when you search it, you find me, right? And then I'm gonna scroll down.
I'm creating my Wix site. You think you are?
After I pause the video, and I'm gonna look for the keywords that this guy's using in his videos. Why? Because he was #1, he's got 86,000 views, and it's gonna tell me that the #1 keyword that I'm obviously gonna put inside of my videos is how to make money, or how to make a product review video, and how to create a product review video, make money reviewing products on YouTube, right? Things of that nature. So I actually have a course called Video Hitchhiker, which by subscribing to this channel, sharing this video, and sending me an email at affiliatebeast@gmail.com, right? Affiliatebeast@gmail.com. By doing those three things, I'm going to give you guys access to a course that I have all about video reviews. All right, now we've made literally hundreds of thousands of dollars in this industry just from affiliate marketing. All right, so after you send me that email, I'm going to give you guys access to the course. You're going to find the keywords, you're going to learn how to create a review video, and you're going to go into create mode. All right, so let's keep it simple. Find some keywords, and then what I'm about to do is do something like this. So hey everybody, what's going on? Jermaine Lee Monster Steel here. If you're watching this YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. By buying Adscrisp through my link today, I'm not only going to give you guys Video Hitchhiker, but I'm also going to give you, which is a course where I teach you how to create review videos just as such as the one I'm doing. I'm also going to give you AZ Beast Niche Marketing, which I've sold for $500 over 300 to 400 times, all right, 350, 400 times. People love the course. It's teaching you how to get cheap clicks with Facebook ads and Amazon affiliate, okay? So I'm going to give you guys those two courses, a total value of $550 plus just by purchasing Adscrisp. Now, what is Adscrisp? Here in just a minute, I'm going to log in, give you guys a review of what it is, right? So nowadays, everybody's got a Facebook shop or a Shopify store or an Amazon store. So what Adscrisp did, the creators of Adscrisp, there we go, a little bit of a tongue twister, is they created this so that you can upload your images in a simple fashion. You could select the music and then render your video, right? And then go throw it on Facebook or Instagram. So no more wasting hours of time to find the best freelancer, right? You just go in and you create it, or you teach your assistant, your VA, how to do it as well. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and log in. All right, so let me go ahead and type in this email here, and I'm going to log in. Boom. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to image editor. But before we do that, just take a look. Let me save that login. Just make sure you take a look at the templates, guys. The beautiful part is that there's already a lot of things here, like this one here, right? Your brand, that you just literally can like throw your brand in there and then start selling. So, you know, you might have some kind of event festival. You might have, you know, you might be selling shoes as an affiliate, which I teach in that course that I'm going to give to you for absolutely free, just for simply buying through Adscrisp through my link today, right? You might be selling sunglasses, right? So if we take a look at this one, you're going to see that it's a template, right? So you can, you know, grab yours today. Just very, very simple. A lot of people don't understand how to do, you know, editing and things of that nature, so it's perfect, right? You can obviously put, you know, different images in there. I can put an Adscrisp image in there, right? And then I could go ahead and I could create, let's see. Whoop. I could go ahead and create an image for this specific product, right? So grab yours today, get my bonuses for buying here, all right? So obviously you save it, you download it. They've made this thing so simple. I really love the features that are going on inside of Adscrisp. So there's the image editor, right? And obviously that's exactly what it is. So this is something that will allow you to not just create videos for your products, right? But this is something that you can utilize to create quotes, right? So you could, if you have like a brand or a fan page like myself, you could go in there and you could add in some text to, you know, the images. And let me just show you exactly what I'm talking about. I don't know what images I got in here, but I'll do this one, and then we'll just go from there. Right, so wholesale selling on Amazon, is it a profitable business option? Right, so I could add some text in there, right, and I could just say, you know, my website, jermainesteele.com. Right, so I mean, it's just a good way, and obviously I didn't get the double out of there, but it's just a cool, really simple way you can draw stuff on here. You can add in filters, right? You can do all the cool stuff that some of the apps have nowadays, but the benefit of obviously Adscrisp is that you could download these straight away, upload them directly to your computer. Now, obviously there is an upgrade option, right? Which you'll get a license key for when you go through the funnel by purchasing through my link today. Basically, you're going to see a link in the video below. All you're going to do is click on that, right? And then go ahead and make that purchase, and then send me an email, right? And then I'll go ahead and I'll send you a request, a friend request on Facebook, and then I'll send you the training. I'll get you added into the group, and you can get going. You can even learn how some of my customers have made $1,500 with 2 products as an affiliate on Amazon, which is huge because you only get 10% of sales. So I've had customers make a $7,500 sale using that course. All right, so once you purchase it, send me the email. I'll make sure you got that. If you got some value, like, comment, share. I'll give you the free video hitchhiker course. If you do happen to buy Adscrisp, I'll give you both courses. All right, so make sure to mention this video. Jermaine Lead Monster Steel here. Let me just show you my Facebook real quick before I sign out so you know who I am. And I'm going to pull YouTube back up for a specific reason when we jump off here. But again, facebook.com/Jermaine Steele. That is my Facebook. And you can head over there. You can see what I'm all about. I post every single day for the last 5 years. At least once every single day for the last 5 years consistently. I've helped over 100 people directly, indirectly to make 6 figures. All right. You can see there's me with my family out at the beach. And just take a look around, guys. I mean, this was when I was out in Miami. Whoop. Let me go back. My computer's loading a little slow here. Just pulled up John's profile. But anyways, when I was in Miami, I rented a Maserati, guys. I told myself, look, now, you know, it's not all about materialistic things, but I told myself that I was going to buy one. And 2 years later, I actually bought one. It's sitting in my garage right now, right? So, again, I share these things with you to inspire. And sorry, I was waiting for that to load. I share these things with you to inspire, and I was also checking my text messages. But I'm going to pull this picture up here. And I rented this in Miami, guys, and I was able to buy it through the efforts of online marketing. So obviously, you can see there that's the one I rented. And if you scroll on my profile somewhere else in here, I won't do that, but you can see the one that we bought. But again, guys, this is one of us at one of our events, and it was a really good event. We had about 50 people there. Some of the greatest minds on the internet were there. We've got guys like Horacio who went on to go and build their own, multi-million dollar empire. There we go. We've got guys like Nate that have done the same. Mac and Mike that are there that have done the same. Scott Rarely. So again, guys, I wanted to share my profile so you know I'm a real person. Buy Adscrisp. Click the link below. Send me an email, and I'll see you guys inside. Peace.